in our country, water and wastewater treatment was a massive issue.
It was discovered that cholera has manifested in Hammanskraal.
A deadly cholera outbreak swept through Hammanskraal outside Pretoria.
More than 200 people have been hospitalized so far, and residents are angry and afraid.
The Hammanskraal water crisis is far from over.
People are drinking water innocently, quenching a thirst, but drinking poison. I considered that a failure as a professional in the engineering discipline. I got to work. My name is Malusi Ramotshela. I'm the founder of Tsokotla Technologies. We've developed an extended reality mobile app. Extended reality, basically it's an umbrella term for virtual reality, augmented reality, and mixed reality. So the application is vast, multiple industries. You can do power generation, you can do oil and gas, agriculture, agri-processing. I believe my calling is in the water and wastewater treatment industry because that's the biggest problem. I fell in love with mechanical engineering. I was kid in grade 10. My dad said I should not study to pass. I should study to know. That's a different drive altogether. One of the things we started talking about was being able to get data from the equipment, for the equipment to call us instead of us just going randomly to it. The big focus there was regarding industrial Internet of Things. With the stuff that was in the public domain, all sorts of platforms that we could use to configure mechanical machines to the internet. It took a bit of work, but eventually we got there. So the power of access to data and informed decisions. A client in the Western Cape asked me to come through and analyze a pneumatic conveying line. I did my analysis and did some calcite. I went down there, measured up the line. When I presented my findings to them, I used XR. I projected their plans to them. I said, okay, so that's what's happening. And that was really interesting. And I realized that as a tool, it's quite powerful. We had been developing and working on our technology for Roots type air blowers. And in May of 2023, the news came on.
One of our top stories, of course, the city of Tshwane is advising people not to drink tap water. This follows a cholera outbreak that has claimed the lives of 12 people in Hammanskraal outside Pretoria.
The Gauteng Health Department saying there are 29 confirmed laboratory cases.
Because of water they drank. 30 people. That was 30 too much. It was just an immediate burden to bear. Someone had to do it. We went to a primary school, negotiated with a security guard to get a sample of water. We also got a sample of municipal water.
Currently, we've got a crash in Kanana. There's a school closer which feeds us with kids who comes for after school.
I went and I saw the crash. I'm like, let's get going. I'm going to build an actual asset. Then I'm going to use the mobile app to operate and maintain the asset. And if I can achieve that, it means it can operate and maintain any water treatment asset. It doesn't have to be mine, and it doesn't have to be in Hammanskraal. So I had scale. And I just had a small path to measure the impact. The Innovator Trust gave me a nice transition from a hustler to an entrepreneur. Just realizing my responsibility as a leader, measuring things, including my own productivity, being able to navigate from my contact to my customer. I needed to find a life coach. I've got multiple roles. I'm a husband, I'm a father, and I'm an entrepreneur, I'm a professional. These roles need to be managed. But growth by collaboration has probably been a massive one for me. If you are intentional about really looking for lessons, that makes a world of a difference. And that has been big for me, from the Innovator Trust. It aligned with just my personality and my values as a person. A business needs to give more than just trade. A business that makes nothing but money is a poor business. It's all about a lasting impact. The Innovator Trust Programme is designed to equip you as a business so that you succeed. Success is not just the amount of work you take in, but it's also the number of people that you're going to take on. Our entire plan is based on small businesses. They need to grow because the assumption is they'll take on graduates and they'll take on people. What this does, it increases the chances of the National Development Plan being realized.